Kala mo makikita. Ang pogi!
Ganyan din ako po. Ulam lang ako eh.
Oh, lapa!
Welcome to the Philippines, Minho.
Oo, Minho. Welcome back to Manila.
Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila.
Welcome back to Manila.
Hello, Minho. Welcome back to the Philippines. Hi, Minho. Shi. Welcome back to Manila.
Hi, Minho. Welcome back to Manila.
Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila.
Hello, Kinashi! Hope you're having a great time in Manila. No words can express how happy I am to see you again. And of course, your Filipino clothes are very excited too. Next week, we're going to be some Pinoy's family. See you!
Young Minho of mine, I am your adopted fan from Philippines and I am currently working in PSA. Hope to see you soon. Wishing you all the good things and good health.
Hi, Living Home. This is DJ Cara. I really had the chance to get close to you when I was in Malaysia. So this time, I wish I could. Thank you so much for inspiring me. And see ya.
Hello, my Minho po. Matagal ka namin ng time. Finally, you're here na ulit. Thank you for sharing this special moment with us. I cherish this forever.
Persevere. Picture family back here in the film.
Dapat ganyan ka rin.
Hello, welcome back to Manila. You're not just an actor that I look up to, but my safe haven where I find peace and happiness. Thank you for being my light during my darkest times and supporting me during my difficulties. Thank you for inspiring us, and we will always be there to support you.
Siya nakakaasar.
Thank you.